Hi, I'm Murray, also known as Creative Man here on Fiverr.
In this gig, I'll run a Facebook ad campaign to grow your page likes. Here are 10 main reasons to get more Facebook page likes. Quickly establishes more social proof, increases people's trust in your brand, makes your brand more credible. People are time poor and they judge your brand based on how many likes you have. When you run traffic campaigns, people will check out your page likes. If they see a significant number of likes, they're more likely to trust your brand and click through to your website. People will view your brand as an authority and take you seriously. Having over 10,000 likes is one of the criteria for monetization to start earning from your Facebook videos. Your page will start to grow naturally because of people's herd mentality of wanting to be connected with popular brands. Gain consistent audience growth when you subscribe monthly. Over the years, I've helped thousands of brands grow their page likes in numerous different niches. See my reviews on this gig. I will run the campaign globally and untargeted to be as economical as possible. I can target specific countries in a custom order, but it costs a lot more per like. After getting more page likes, I can help with targeted ads for brand awareness, traffic, and lead generation. First time buyers, please message me first and make sure to read my 30 frequently asked questions as seen in my YouTube video. Order today.